Hello, this is the first time in this area that the children of class 7th and 8th of any school are participating in English group discussion. So come let's see.
Good morning, guys. Today's topic of your group discussion is advantage and disadvantage of rural area and urban area. You will be given 3 to 4 minutes to write down your view, your point, and then we will come back. Thank you.
Let's start.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Shreya. I am from class 7. First of all, thank you, Wisdom Ball, to giving this opportunity to tell me about advantage and disadvantage of urban area. First, I want to say what is urban area. The area where people live with lot of facility is called urban area. There are people live with modern and with lot of functional life.
Good morning, everyone. I am Nagini Kumari from class 7. First of all, thanks to Wisdom World Public School. Today I have golden chance to introduce about advantage and disadvantage of rural area. Rural area connect with nature, and disadvantage of rural area, we cannot move on the road after 9 o'clock in rural area. Thanks.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Vidya Bharti from class 7. First of all, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Lady Kumari
Good morning,
from class
everyone.
7.
I am Khushi Kumari from class
Communication, energy supply, public lighting, commerce, and public services is missing and weak. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Nidhi Shinha from class 7. First off, thank you Wisdom World Public School provide healthcare and better education.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Harshraj from class 7. First of all, thank you, Veena.
In the urban area, higher level of stress, higher crime rates, higher power of crime, lack of parking, lack of natural spaces. Thank you.
Rural area has also so many facilities like a market is connected to village.
Urban area more less crime and better communication speed, high transport facility, more education opportunity. Thanks.
Advantage of rural area is people of rural area connect with nature. Thank you.
There are many playing games for indoor or outdoor. Disadvantage of rural area. Difficulties in accessing health services, education, entertainment and shopping. Facility of transport, education and health is high in urban area.
Disadvantage of rural area. In distance rural area, the roads are extremely bad and transport difficulties are great.
Urban living are improved as to public transport, better, higher paying job opportunities.
There will be change of spreading disease, lack of crime rates. Thank you.
Scenario School College, University, Research Center, etc.
In urban area, pollutions are more, so there are causes many harmful diseases.
In urban area, there is sewage system, international system, and the people of urban area work late of night.
Disadvantage of rural area. In rural area has many problems such as problem of education, water and hospital, etc. Thanks.
Disadvantage of urban area is there are often few green spaces in town or city and pollution lack to space. Thank you.
Disadvantage of rural area, problem of hospital.
In urban area, there is best facility of road, railway, airway, and in import and export of things.
Advantage of rural area. No air pollution, quite less waste, domestic and industrial waste. Thank you.
Urban area is highly industrial.
Rural people are generally poor and in need of the ruler of health and hygiene. For want of proper education, they become narrow-minded and superstitious.
In urban area, there is no pure water for drink. The people of urban area use water purifier for clean water, but this water can't provide much nutrition.
Traffic issue will be more in urban area.
Advantage of urban area: level opportunities, office job, high teach job in service industry, bank, retail, etc.
In the urban area, we cannot get fresh water and air.
People of urban area are not connected with nature. The urban area light cut problem is very less. The main disadvantage of rural area: light cuts, long time, like 5 to 6 hours. Thanks.
Disadvantage of urban area: lack to parking. Thanks.
Advantage of rural area have less air pollution because there is not as much congestion from cars.
City life is very busy, fast moving, and restless.
Disadvantage of rural area. Unqualified water and toilets, poor housing. Thank you.
Regions that are located near of the city are known as urban area.
Advantage of